In this video, we are going to see how we can remove the grid lines from the Excel sheet. As you can see here, the normal sheet in Excel looks like this, but I have made it plain white without any grid lines. So we will learn a couple of functions, and we will also learn that if you want to enable for a specific part and disable for the rest, how we can do that. And by the way, guys, from this lecture, we will start working on a smaller functions of Excel that will contribute into the bigger projects that we will do in future, like all the conditions, if then statements, if or formulas, and even into a bigger projects like bank reconciliation, pivot table, or dashboard reporting. So you can find a lot of sheets attached with a single file. So just download this to follow along. All right, let's move back to our topic, which is clearing the grid lines. Let's say that you want to completely disable the grid lines from the entire sheet. What you have to do is just go to the View tab and just turn this off. It's grid lines in the View tab. Just turn this off and you will see the magic. It's gone. Now what to do if we want it to be enabled for a specific area like this? In here, you can use the Home tab and apply borders to it. You can simply apply borders. It looks like this. But let's say that before applying, you want it to look the same as the original grid lines. So as you can notice that it's of light gray color. And when we apply the borders, it's of dark black color. What we can do is before applying this line color, we will apply it light gray or very little gray. And then let's try to apply all borders. We will just click escape because we are not drawing that borders manually. Click all borders. And now we can see it's of very light color. After that, you can format it however you want. Let's say I want the headings to be in a specific way. And whenever you want to enable all the grid lines back, just go to the View tab and just check this box and you are good to go. So that's how you can remove or re-enable the grid lines in Excel sheet. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.